You can also manage your artboard in different ways inside of Adobe Fresco. So for that, I'm just going to go around here and select something like a watercolor, a big one, and then just draw around, as you can see right here. So now, in order to change out how the document actually looks, you can go over here onto the gear icon where you can access your document setting. So the size by default right here is 2100 by 2100. So you can click it and change the size. Let's say, for example, you want to change it to SD screen. You can simply select that and press OK, and everything rearranges, as you can see. And you have the transform tool right here to transform out your existing artwork. So just press done, and that's it. So what you can do is you can simply go over here again and choose to flip the canvas. So you can flip the entire canvas right here, top to bottom or left to right, and you can rotate around the canvas as well. If you're using touch screen and you're using touch gestures to rotate out your canvas, then you have an option to enable rotation snapping in 30 degrees, 45 or 90 degrees, as you can see right here. Or you can turn it completely off. You have an option to turn on a touch shortcut and not as well, just like this. And usually it's good if you have the touch shortcut and the rotation snapping on at 45 degrees. And then you have the artboard preview. So if I were to turn this off, let's see what happens. There doesn't seem to be much change when you're using pixel brush. But when you're using vector brush right here, I can increase the size right here. Let me just go around and choose a dark color like red. If I were to draw around, you can see that I can draw around the artboard right here when I use a vector brush. But if I were to go over here onto the gear icon and turn artboard preview on, you can see that that is not seen. But when I use the move tool, you can see that the vector brush elements are still there. And when the artboard preview is turned on just like this, it just disappears over there. So you can go around here, and to see it out, again, you can turn off the artboard preview and you see it outside the artboard just like you would in Adobe Illustrator. But this only works for the vector layer, and for pixel layers, everything outside is not there. So let's say, for example, if you were to go over here and go on to move tool, this is all there is. But you can go out and keep it out just like that. And you can see areas outside the bound of the canvas will be cropped. So that is how it works out for pixel layers. So artboard preview does not work out for that. So that is how you can work around with the document settings inside of Adobe Fresco. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.